You are now watching a Lucky Penny Shop product feature.
Hey, it's Lucky Penny Shop. Thanks for stopping by today. I'm continuing on my journey. I don't know, if enough people say, do the Wheel of Fortune, then I won't reach in the bin and I'll do that Wheel of Fortune. It's kind of sitting there, and I know it's there, so it could be the last one I do. I don't know. We'll see. I do see a solitaire here. That free cell game that I played a few videos back, I played that one quite a bit, and I was never able to actually complete that. So we'll see. Let me reach in here now. Actually, let's go underneath the Wheel of Fortune and see what's in here. Ooh, there's something in a bag. Let's skip that. This is Birdsong's Identiflyer. So it looks like it's a handheld device that lets you play bird songs. I think I'm going to play it. Even though it's not really a game, it looks interesting, and I want to hear all these birds. Let's check it out. All right, so Birdsong Identiflyer. Do you get it? Flying birds. And there's no on-off switch. It just looks like you put the batteries in and it go. It's For the Birds LLC, model IF03, identiflyer.com. Now, this is looking like it's going to take some strange batteries, almost like button batteries. I don't think that is going to be AAA's, but it looks more like button batteries. Let's see. Ooh, it is AAA's, and there's an off-on. That's good. We got lucky because I don't have every single button battery that's out there. There's a lot of different sizes, but usually they're the kind that go with the hex bugs. That size is what it normally is. All right, here we go. Ooh, and the screw comes out, so you have to be careful with that tiny screw. You lose that, you're in trouble. Although I probably have a screw somewhere that would work in my collection of screws. Okay, let's get this in there. And it looks like it's got a headphone jack too, so you can listen quietly to your birds. And I wonder if there's different cards you can put in here. This is just one thick card with a chip on it. So we have the European starling. It whistles, it whirs, it clicks and rattles. We have the common yellowthroat. Witchety, 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 witch. The northern cardinal. Cheer, 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 cheer. Purdy, purdy, purdy. The song sparrow. Sweet, sweet, sweet. The red-winged blackbird. A loud onkery. Also a single teck. The brown-heeled cowbeanie. Cowbird. The brown-headed cowbird. A bubbled gluck-glug scree. The Baltimore Oriole. Several loud, rich whistle notes. House finch. Musical warble ending in descending cheer. Man, who came up with these? American goldfinch. A high sweet and perchickery. And then the house sparrow is repeated chirp, 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 chirp. There's a little microchip on there. Is that gold? I wonder. And then inside here, it's an all green handheld. There's a slots in the front where the speaker is in the bottom right corner. And then Birdsong Identiflyer in like a silvery color. All right, there's the volume control on this side. I'm going to turn it down first. And then let me turn it on. Yeah, it looks like a headphone jack. All right, turn it on. All right, here we go. Let's press something. Oh, and we got nothing. Oh, man. This volume control is really hard to get your fingers in there. Let's try another one. Okay. Ooh, wait. It almost like the batteries are too not powerful enough. Well, what do? We double check. I heard a little bird. I heard a little birdie. I wonder how many cards. I'd have to do a quick Google on this one. Maybe I'll do that. Let me go get some other batteries. Let me Google it and see if the website still exists or not. And I will come back with some fresh batteries and maybe some more information for you. Okay, Identiflyer.com. They still exist. And they have this one here, the Classic and the Lyric, and there's multiple cards, so it just depends on what card you could have in there. The Identifier Classic with the 5 sound cards is $36, and the Classic Identifier Player is just $16. So the cards add a little bit to it, but look at all the different cards. It's $6 a card. Wow. I wonder if I can just get those on eBay, all of them. Well, let's look while we're here. Let's go to eBay. And then let's look for Identiflyer. Identiflyer. Lyric song player and box. Okay, open box is $29. And then you can get the little case for it. Identiflyer song card, birds of the seashore. One sealed card, it looks like. Cards. They've got a few cards. So it's really just a matter of, $29.99. Birdsong Identiflyer Birds, sealed song cards, lot of 6. That one looks good with free shipping. Be great to get it for $4.99, but I don't see it. All right, so they're out there. That's cool. That's good to know. This battery tester has been giving me the fritz. Like, it's not reading much anymore. Now Alright, let's get a different tester. Here, let's get this one. You kind of just hold it here and do this, and then a little meter on the bottom. When you do it the right way. Good. So the batteries in there were bad. The ones I had off to the side here, look, this little meter. So you hold this up here, and then you hold this on top. Let me see if I can do it this way. And this little meter down here goes up and down. See it way in there? And then I'll know that the battery is good, see? So it goes all the way in the green real fast. That's a good battery. Let's try another one. Yeah, that's another good battery. All right, so I know I have 3 good batteries now. We almost lost the screw. 1, 2. Now, if there's a slight chance that somewhere in one of my bins I have more of these cards, I'll come back and revisit this at the end of another video. But I did a quick look inside. Oh, I hear birds. I did a quick look inside the bin, and I didn't see it. I didn't think I did. I think I only had the 1 card. Okay, there we go. It's very soft, though. I thought I heard something, but maybe I'm hearing things. Well, that's too bad. Well, I'm going to check one more time. Only because I want to be 100% certain before I end this video. Or I just go in the bin and grab another one. Wait, did you hear that? Huh. Let me wiggle the batteries. I heard them for a brief second. You heard it. I know you heard it. I heard it. It was soft, but They're in, right? All right. One more thing. Let's see if maybe it's just this card. Let me get a pencil and clean off those contacts. Okay, so sometimes just cleaning these off. Well, that helped. If I can get this cover off. Oh, that's the northern cardinal. The common yellowthroat. The European starling. Oh, wait a minute. So when this is out, does it still get... I was thinking that maybe the ones I was reading... No, let's put it back in. That is the brown-headed cowbird. The Baltimore Oriole. House finch. Ooh, that was it. That was that. House sparrows were not working. Red-winged blackbird. Not working. It just stopped working. Alright, let me just do that one more time. It definitely helped after I did that, didn't it? Okay, the red-winged blackbird, the song sparrow. Interesting. Northern cardinal. The house sparrow. Little chirps. American goldfinch. House finch. Okay, so let me move this up here now. I'm going to go one by one, do them all again. The brown-headed cowbird. The Baltimore Oriole. The house finch. The American goldfinch. The house sparrow. The red-winged blackbird. The song sparrow. Oh, it just stopped working. Oh, that's the song sparrow. Let me do it again. The northern cardinal. Common yellowthroat. And the European starling. Sounds like a frog, but... Okay, I had mixed feelings about this. Now, would someone sit there and buy all the cards and play all the different sounds outside and thinking that maybe a northern cardinal will come land on your lap? Tell me what you think. I'm very curious what you think of this one and how you feel about it. And would you ever just get more cards? And, you know, maybe one day I'd find some cards at a garage sale. Can you imagine walking to a garage sale and there's a little box there with all of the cards to go with this? That would be one of those, so it's like a dream come true for bird watchers. I think generally speaking, you got to hear them all. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. I had fun making it. The Birdsong Identiflyer. Later.
If you're looking for the item you just saw in the video, click here. Watch more videos by clicking here. Don't forget to share on social media and give a thumbs up.
Hey, LPS Dave,
What's up, Butch?
make sure they don't forget to subscribe.
Oh yeah, please click here to subscribe to Lucky Penny Shop. And always remember, when you see a lucky penny,
Pick it up.